Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done some heatless curls, so I thought today I would bring out my Flexi rods and attempt to curl my extra long hair. And I got a little dolled up for you guys in this gorgeous 1950s vintage nightgown. Fun fact about me, I love collecting vintage nightgowns. But let's take down my hair and see what we're working with. I did wash it the night before and let it air dry so it is nice and clean. And I'll start by just brushing out all the knots and tangles. My hair is quite long and heavy at the moment, so it just kind of falls straight. I definitely had to give up my wavy textured hair for length. And for those of you interested, here's a little bang growth update. They're slowly growing out, and I cannot wait for the day that they do. Even though sometimes I do get urges to cut them again, but I won't. So now I'm just dividing my hair up as best as I can. I'm just splitting my hair down the middle and working with one side of my hair at a time. So I'm just gonna put one side in a ponytail and work on the other side. Now I'm gonna put these Flexi rods in. So I like to dampen each strand of hair and then brush it out before putting the rod in. And you guys, I love this spray bottle. I'm gonna link it down below because it just lets out the most even, perfect mist. And I always roll towards the underside of my hair instead of over top of my hair, if that makes sense. And then once it gets to the top, I just crimp the rod so it stays in place. You can see what I'm doing here in the video. And you can start with damp hair. However, I've tried that before and my hair just doesn't dry. So I like to just lightly spray my hair with some water before putting the Flexi rods in. We did it! That took a while, but all the rods are in my hair and I think it actually looks pretty cool. And to protect my hair from frizz, I'm just popping on a silk bonnet over the curlers. I always like to sleep on a silk pillowcase or wear a silk bonnet because it helps prevent breakage and just keeps your hair looking smooth and frizz-free. Now it's time for bed, and I can tell this is going to be a very uncomfortable night's sleep, but luckily to make things a little bit more comfy, I'll be sleeping on my Birch mattress. So thank you Birch for sponsoring today's video. Their end of year sale is running now, and you can get 25% off your purchases for a limited time, so check out the Birch website for more details. Birch makes mattresses that are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. Their mattresses are free from polyurethane foams, which can cause harmful off-gassing. Other mattress companies use fiberglass as a flame retardant in their products, but Birch mattresses are free of harmful fiberglass materials. Instead, Birch uses 100% organic wool, which is naturally flame resistant. Birch mattresses are GOTS and Green Guard Gold certified, meaning they're free of any polyurethane-based foams and harsh, unnecessary chemicals and pollutants. I've been sleeping on a Birch for a couple years now, and I've been so happy with it. I currently have the Birch Luxe mattress, which is a premium upgrade to their original, well-loved Birch Natural mattress. Not only can I sleep easy knowing it's not off-gassing harmful chemicals, but it's also a very comfortable mattress to sleep on. And with your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. And Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the US. It just comes rolled up in a big box and is super easy to set up, but they also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. I love my Birch mattress and I know you will too. So if you're looking for a new bed for the new year, check out Birch Living. Their year-end sale is running now and it's the perfect time to upgrade your sleep, and you can get 25% off your Birch mattress plus 2 free EcoRest pillows. So visit birchliving.com/holistichabits to find out more about this limited time offer. And for your little ones, check out the Birch Kids Natural Mattress, which is a 2023 Good Housekeeping Parenting Awards winner.
guys, it's 2 a.m. and I cannot sleep. These flexi rods are so uncomfortable in my hair and I just can't get a comfortable position. I think I might have put them in too tight because I don't remember it being this bad before. But this explains why I only do this once a year. So I hope you guys can appreciate my dedication to finishing this video so I can show you the results. I'm gonna try and get comfortable and go to sleep again.
Alright guys, it is the next morning and that was a tough night. Let's see if it was worth it. I really didn't get much sleep because the rods made it feel like I had a torture contraption on my head and I just couldn't find a comfortable position. Honestly, I probably would have preferred just putting them in the morning and then wearing them all day and taking them out before bed, but then the curls probably would have been gone by the time I woke up in the morning. I don't know if I'll ever curl my hair with these flexi rods again because that was just torture. The curls aren't looking too bad here, but as you can see towards the top of my hair, it didn't really hold the curl, really only the bottom of the hair did. I will say the curls didn't last long for me at all. If I would have used hairspray, they probably would have turned out better, but I just don't like putting product in my hair. So I'm just running my hands through the curls and kind of finger combing them to loosen them up and give myself a bit more volume. And it's not really showing up on camera, but I did have a lot of frizz at the top of my head. But let's finish getting ready. I'm just gonna throw my hair up for a second so I can do my makeup. As always, I'm using all clean beauty products today. So I'm starting with my base and just applying a little bit of the Fit Glow Concealer in C2.5 under my eyes, and then the Fit Glow Foundation in F2.5 all over my face. And then I'm using a damp sponge to blend it in. And then using that same damp sponge, I'm just taking a little bit of cream blush and just applying it to the apples of my cheeks to give myself a healthy glow. Now I'm just brushing and filling in my brows using the xoxo brow pencil in taupe. And now for eyes, I'm first lining them with a bit of brown eye pencil. And then I'm going over that and creating a little wing with the Ilia Clean Line liquid liner because I love a cat eye. And then just finishing my lashes off with the Fit Glow Beauty mascara. So let's let the hair down and see how it's looking. I decided to just throw it up in a ponytail because I wasn't really loving it down. This was a very heavy ponytail and I definitely couldn't wear my hair like this all day, but it looked pretty while it lasted, which wasn't a long time. Here I'm just trying to smooth some of the frizz out with a comb. And now I'm just applying this product from Plume Science, which just kind of fills in and colors the sparse areas of your hair. I think of it like an eyebrow pencil, but for your hair. And I like to do this when I wear a ponytail because my hairline is sparse in some areas. It's just the way God made me. Now it's time for an outfit change. I'm wearing one of my favorite dresses ever. I just love the vibrant colors. And I forgot to do my lips earlier, so I'm just lining my lips with the Fit Glow lip liner in Root, which I've really been loving lately. It's kind of a dark brown color. And then over that, I'm applying their Cloud Collagen lipstick in Buff, which is a nice nude. And then I'm putting on my gold hoops because I just don't feel like myself when I don't have my gold jewelry on. So here the final look is. I threw on some tan colored boots and bag and my long camel wool coat. Remember to sign up for my email list in the description box. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!